Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hearty and Healthy with Pankti, and today I'm making a video on 15 facts about Galileo Galilei. So let's get started. Fact number 1. Famous painter Michelangelo died on 18th Feb 1564, and 3 days later Galileo Galilei was born on 15th Feb 1564. Fact number 2. The year Galileo Galilei died, the same year Isaac Newton was born. They both studied physics. Sir Isaac Newton completed Galileo's work in physics, and some people believe that he is the rebirth of Galileo Galilei. Fact number 3. Michelangelo, Niccolò Machiavelli, Foscolo, Rossini, Galileo Galilei were all famous people of Italy and were buried in the same church. They were buried in the church Basilica of Santa Croce. It is known as the Temple of Italian Glories. Fact number 4. Aristotle believed that if we drop two objects from the same height, the heavier object will fall first. But Galileo Galilei believed that if we drop two objects from the same height, they both will fall at the same time. And he also proved this by throwing two objects from the Tower of Pisa, and they both fell at the same time. Fact number 5. Stephen Hawking said that Galileo Galilei gave birth to modern science. Albert Einstein gave Galileo Galilei the title of Father of Modern Science. Fact number 6. Galileo Galilei was an astronomer, physicist, engineer, philosopher, mathematician. Fact number 7. He is known as father of observational astronomy, father of modern physics, father of scientific method, and father of modern science. Fact number 8. He was pretty close to a woman of Venice, Marina Gamba, and had 3 children with her, 2 daughters and 1 son. Fact number 9. Galileo Galilei was a religious person and he was a pure Catholic. Yet he did not marry the mother of his 3 children because it was against the religion. An author, Dawa Sobel, wrote in her book Galileo's Daughter that the reason for Galileo Galilei to not marry was because it was a tradition in scholars those days. Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, Nicholas Copernicus also did not marry. Fact number 10. Galileo Galilei was not the first person to invent a telescope. It was a man from Holland named Hans Lippershey. He was the first person to invent a telescope, and he was an eyeglass maker. When he went to get the telescope patent, it got declined because it was very easy to make a telescope, and after some days another man went to get the telescope patent. But the credit for the telescope goes to Hans Lippershey, as he was the first person to get the telescope patent. Fact number 11. In 1609, Galileo Galilei discovered the telescope made by Hans Lippershey, and Galileo Galilei made his own telescope. His telescope was better than the previous one, yet he did not discover the telescope but was the first person to use optical illusion to look outside to the planets. Fact number 12. At Galileo's time, it was believed that the moons have a smoother surface, but with the use of a telescope, Galileo Galilei proved that moons have craters on them and they do not have a smooth surface, and broke the myth. Fact number 13. Galileo Galilei published a book named The Starry Messenger, which was the first book in history to cover the scientific work with the use of a telescope. This is the pictures of moon which he discovered to the telescope. Fact number 14. Galileo Galilei believed in the theory of the great astronomer Nicholas Copernicus that sun is in the center and all the other planets including Earth revolves around it. In the ancient time, it was believed that the Earth is in the center and all the other planets and sun revolve around it. Fact number 15. Galileo told this to the Romanian church. They were against this theory as it was against religious beliefs in the Bible. Galileo was forced to take his statement back and was sentenced to jail for the rest of his life. After some time, he went into house arrest and was not allowed to step out of his house and was in house arrest for 8 years until he died. It was loss of a very important person as he could give us more information about space. So friends, this is it for today's video and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.